Okay, I think it's going.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, this is me and Gayla at Belinda's house on a Saturday night with this delicious bottle here that you can't see from that view. Yes, the cheap stuff. You can't tell, but it says $12.99. Here's Gayla all fiended out for her crack.
What? Talking shit?
Lots
Fuck
of
you up.
shit. Do it, bitch.
What?
You heard me.
I'll fucking do your face. Oh, that was a good one.
You're gonna do my face,
Yeah.
Gayla?
I'll do your face.
Oh. You're gonna like fuck
Ew,
it or
what the
something?
fuck you saying ew for, bitch?
You said you're gonna do my face.
Face it. Face it. Be honest.
You
Look
face
at that.
it.
Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? It's fucking gorgeous.
There should be more in
Gorgeous.
there.
I'm gonna sneeze. What are we doing? Oh my
Putting it in
god,
that
this is
bowl.
all we got left to smoke all night. Now we just like, oh my god.
No, it's not. We still have to roll a blunt.
Yeah, we do. And how are we gonna do that?
Uh-oh.
Do you have any money for weed? I have roaches over there. I remember that. I have like maybe over
You
5
should just
roaches
roll
at
this
least.
blunt now, then.
Are you serious? But then what are we gonna do later? I still have my whole fucking cup to drink. Do you see this? Do you see this? I have to finish this. And while I'm drinking this, I'm gonna need to smoke a blunt about here, 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 here. That's how much I need to smoke.
Sounds like you better call your daddy and tell him to give you some money.
Right?
Your
my
money,
God.
you need it now.
It's my, yeah, that's what I told him that like 5 times. It's my money, I need it now. And he was just like, just the fuck out, go away. I'm like, oh my god, give me my money. Yo, he's still yo, I hate, yo. I wish I had all my money at once. So that I could just party all out. Get $30 a day, what the fuck is that? I need like 40 to at least drink and smoke and have a good time.
I think you're a drug addict.
What?
You heard
No.
me. Yeah,
No,
yeah.
I'm just a pothead and drunk. That's it.
Drug
No,
addict.
no. You're bugging, you're bugging.